Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, welcome to my new makeup room. I recently just moved, a couple days ago actually. So, this video I filmed probably about a week ago, and I wanted to mess around with some new nail polishes, and I had just gotten some new nail art tools. It was my first time doing nail art, so if you guys see a mistake or you're like, what is she doing? That's not how you do it. I'm sorry. It's my first time doing it. It was really hard to do it because since it was my first time, it was just like so frustrating. I wanted to get it right, and it took me like probably 3 hours to do my nails. So I wanted to let you guys know, if you were interested in wanting to see a makeup room tour soon, let me know in the comments down below. I can show you guys what my makeup room will look like. I'm still not done. I have more things to add in here, of course. I still have to unpack a lot of stuff out in the house over there, but my makeup room so far looks pretty good. Like, I feel like everything is in place. I just want to decorate and stuff like that. So if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments, please. As always, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell so you can get notified whenever I post my videos. And don't forget to also follow me on Instagram. If you guys are interested in wanting to see how I did these nails that are already almost off, then just keep on watching.
So